Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word boils. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The doctor prescribed antibiotics to treat the painful boils on the patient's back. Boils are painful, pus-filled lumps that form under the skin due to a bacterial infection in a hair follicle or oil gland. They can be treated with antibiotics. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.